Here's a great deal on a 2009 Volkswagen New Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger convertible just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 5-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a power convertible top, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.